Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and store Bitcoin safely. First, select a well-known cryptocurrency exchange that prioritizes security and follows regulations. You will need to complete a Know Your Customer or KYC process, which involves verifying your identity. After that, link your preferred payment method, like a bank account or debit card, to fund your account. This initial setup ensures a secure foundation for your Bitcoin journey. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Buy section of the exchange. Here, you can specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to acquire, whether it's a full coin or a fraction, like 1/10 of a Bitcoin. Always review the transaction details carefully, paying attention to any fees and the current exchange rate. After confirming everything looks correct, finalize your order to make your first Bitcoin purchase. Now, let's talk about storing your Bitcoin. You have two main options: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are convenient for small, active amounts. Cold wallets, like hardware wallets, are offline and provide superior security for larger holdings. A hardware wallet, which costs around $70 to $200, is often recommended as it keeps your private keys isolated from the internet, offering robust protection. To maximize your Bitcoin security, always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange and wallet accounts. Never share your private keys with anyone, as they are the sole access to your funds. Crucially, back up your wallet's recovery phrase, often a 12 or 24-word sequence, and store it in a secure, offline location. Finally, remain vigilant against phishing attempts and suspicious communications to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.